Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. I hope you're having a really good day so far. I am excited because today I'm going to share with you a full head-to-toe grooming tutorial, and this video is brought to you by MANSCAPED.com. I've worked with them in the past. I really like their products. I use it all the time, and I'm really excited because not only is MANSCAPED the premium brand for men's grooming and hygiene products, but I'm especially excited because they just launched the new Lawnmower 4.0, and I am one of the first to receive this. So I'm going to give you my thoughts, talk about the new features, the upgrades, give you a comparison to the 3.0. I'm really excited to try this, honestly. Yeah, if you guys want to hear my thoughts, see how I use this, how to shave down there and all over here, stay tuned. All right, boom. Look at this. Okay, first off, I love the packaging. They always just deliver with this. It's a whole new balls game. There you go. This is the new Lawnmower 4.0. This is honestly super, oh, there's more behind here. It looks really, really high quality, and like details on this is next level. I can already tell. I brought out the 3.0. This is the 3.0. This is the 4.0. I can just tell the 4.0. I can see the 4.0 is definitely a little more sleek and slightly smaller than the 3.0. I like the fact that Manscaped really engineered and created this ultimate groin and body trimmer by focusing on the intelligent functionality and a comfortable grooming experience. They really, really carefully crafted a product like this that won't tug at your hairs, won't cause any cuts, anything. It's just like the most comfortable shave. I just want to put it back in the box to show you, but it comes like this. And honestly, it just looks really cool with, I don't know if you can see, but it has a two-toned black finish and hot foil stamped Manscaped logo, which is really cool. The Lawnmower 4.0 does have this 4,000 LED spotlight to help you use in, those hard to reach areas. So you can probably see right here as I show you. You can see the light. Can you see that? I'm actually shaving a little bit of the back of my hand so you can see, but it really just has that really awesome LED light right here. Obviously you want to be gentle, but yeah, it does have that SkinSafe technology, which we love. It is waterproof and cordless, which is perfect. If you want to jump in the shower, you're totally safe with this. You won't get like electrocuted or anything. It's perfect to even travel with, which is one of the features that I'm really excited about. But yeah, you can get this wet, get in the shower, trim your chest hair if you have any areas. Honestly, ever since the Lawnmower 3.0, I just use this in the shower, and it just makes cleaning so much easier. I'm sure most of you have heard of the Lawnmower 3.0 or have watched my other video, but let me tell you why this 4.0 has major upgrades. Thankfully, now that we can hopefully, travel very soon, this has a travel lock feature, which, locks, or it has a safety, which locks the device so it won't turn on while you're traveling, which doesn't that suck? You don't want this to turn on. You can rest easy while traveling. It won't turn on while you're traveling. You won't hear a vibrating sound. It won't drain your battery because it's on during the whole flight or the whole trip. This has that travel lock, which I am really stoked about, and it's genius to have that. And the way you activate the travel lock feature is by clicking the on button 3 times fast, and it will indicate, let me do it right now real quick, 1, 2, 3. So you can see the LED light indicates that it's locked, so you can just, I'm turning the button and it's not buzzing, it's not turning on. So you can rest assured that it's not gonna buzz in your suitcase. So yeah, that's really cool, I like that. So it says pull here. I'll talk about that in a little bit, but look at this. Wow, this is super cool. Okay, this is awesome. This is the wireless charging dock, and apparently this wireless charging system uses electromagnetic induction to charge a premium lithium-ion battery, which I believe you can get up to 90 minutes at full charge, which honestly, that lasts a long time because you don't, at least for me, I don't spend that much time trimming and manscaping. So when you're charging this, the lights will indicate you at the front of this product. It'll light up individually to show you the battery life, which is really handy as well. The Lawnmower 4.0 also comes with, you can customize your preferred hair length. Just snap these on, and you can just, have, like I said, your preferred hair length, as you can see, like that. Take this one off. Really easy to take off. You can do this one as well, for your preferred hair length. It also comes with a little brush, so you can clean this in between the blades so you can have a nice clean product. I also almost forgot to mention that the SkinSafe ceramic blades are replaceable, so you just press against the blades, and it's just easy to snap back on, just like that. So it's, you know, they're replaceable. They actually do have a plan. It is called the Peak Hygiene Plan. When you select the Peak Hygiene Plan on manscaped.com, you can get a replacement blade delivered directly to your door so that you basically never run out of fresh skin-safe blades. And you do have the power to choose like what products are included in your Peak Hygiene Plan. I mean, they have over like 60 product combinations at the lowest prices, so you can enjoy, you know, the best of Manscaped delivered to your door. It's, like I said, super affordable, and Manscaped also has you covered. They do have a platinum warranty, so if your weed whacker or your lawnmower breaks, they will replace it for you. So yeah, join. I mean, why not have a good product like this that'll keep you covered if you go on a date, if you're just Manscaped, protect all of, you know, body hair when manscaping. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this before. If you have any other questions in regards to manscaping, I do have a promo code for us. So if you guys want to check out the new Lawnmower 4.0 and get it for yourself, it's 20% off of your order plus free international shipping with our special promo code, which will be down below in the info box. Also pin it in the comments. So use that code to get 20% off of manscaped.com. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna log off here. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Adios.